Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about partial products. And partial product is just a really fancy way of a multiplication strategy that you can use. So I want you to look at this little reindeer. It says, how could you use the same strategy to figure out the area? So I'm looking at this and I see blue and I see green. Well, this blue represents 10 and the green represents 4 and then this represents 3. I know that 10 plus 4 is 14. So really this is 14 times 3. But how they split it up was they went ahead and split because they know that 10 times 3 is 30, and then they knew that 4 times 3 is 12, and then if you add 30 and 12 together, you get 42, which is what 14 times 3 equals. So we're going to practice partial product on here. So it says write the product for each part, then write the total. So as you can see, the total, the number sentence is 3 times 16. Well, let's say that you can't do that, but you can do 3 times 10. And there's 3 on this side and 10 on this side. And super quick, I know that 3 times 10 is 30. And then you go over here and you know that that's going to be 6 and this is going to be 3. And I know that 6 times 3 is, you grab your multiplication chart and you end up saying, oh yeah, 6 times 3 is 18. Now, the kicker is you have to take these two products and you have to add them together because you're trying to figure out 16 plus times 3, which ends up being 48. So let's go to the next one. You're looking at 5 times 13. So really, 13, if I split 13 to 10 and 3, I still get 13. So I'm going to do that. That's easy for me. 5 and 10 are showed here, and 5 and 10 is 50, right? And then in the red, you see 5 and 3, and we know that that's 15. What am I going to do to these two products? You're right. I'm going to add them, and I'm going to put my total right there. Let's go to the next one. Draw a line to split each rectangle into points. Okay, so I have 4 and I have 14. So I have to do 14 times 4 to find the area because length times width, you multiply to find the inside, which is the area. So I'm going to do 10 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to split it right here. I know that this is 10 and this is 4 and this is 4. So if I was to do length times width, you multiply to find the inside. On this one, I get 40 because 4 times 10 is 40. And if I did 4 times 4, I get 16. So now I have to add those two numbers, 40 and 16. And that gives me 56. Okay, same thing here. 15 times 5, well, let's break it up into partial products. So what could I break 15 up? 10 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to draw my line right here. And now this becomes 10 and this becomes 5. Now I have to multiply to find the inside. And 10 times 5 is 50. And 5 times 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now guess what I'm going to do to 50 and 25? You got it. I'm going to add. And that's what I get there. You're going to do the same thing here. You're going to break up 16, 10, and 6. You'll break up 15, and you'll break up, 28. So what I want you to do is do these 3 on your own. Make sure you finish B and make sure you finish B here. And I can't wait to see how you guys do. Good luck.